crossbody toe touch. That's right, we're getting back into your abdominals today. And the cool thing about this move is that it also stretches the muscles of your hamstrings, your lower back, and your shoulders as well. Here's how you do it. Start laying on the ground with your arms overhead and your feet nice and wide. Take a big inhale here, and as you exhale, reach your right hand towards your left foot, sit up. Come back down to the ground and then switch to the second side. Continue alternating sides as you continue this exercise.